Hi guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, today basically I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Awesome giveaway prize from our friends from Diorama. So because I just received this two awesome gift prize. Actually I already received it from like last 2 weeks ago, but I don't have a chance. I don't have a time. I got to do unboxing because I'm so busy about it. So I'm so sorry about it for late for opening this two awesome gift prize from Diorama. So first of all, just make sure to check the Diorama channel. And please subscribe his channel because his channel always got awesome stop motion video, which I always enjoying watching his awesome stop motion video. So his channel is so cool. So now I'm just gonna open these two awesome giveaway prize because I just have no idea. I just won twice giveaway prize, twice in a row giveaway prize from the Diorama channel. I think probably I just won one in YouTube and one over his Instagram. So thank you so much to Diorama for letting me win your awesome giveaway prize from YouTube and also from Instagram. So thank you so much to Diorama. So you guys make sure to check his channel out and make sure to subscribe channel. So now I'm gonna open it these two boxes. What Diorama sent me these two awesome giveaway prize. Okay, guys. So now I'm just gonna open the first one, the first box from our friends from Diorama. So I'm just gonna see what's inside this box. Because I have no idea what's inside this box, so I'm just gonna open it now. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got actually from our friends from Diorama from his awesome giveaway prize. Okay. Oh wow, this is so cool. See this one. I just actually because well actually this one is from the first box from Diorama sent me his awesome giveaway prize. So it's so cool. See actually he just sent me his this one is awesome giveaway prize. So this one is really cool. Actually I really love this card so much, and this is really nice castings. It's really awesome. It's a limited work. And this car is called Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT. So this one is really cool. It's really awesome. This one is really nice though. See guys, this one. So actually this one is really nice. It's really dope, man. It's really nice castings. I really love this race car. It's really cool. It's a cool castings. It's really awesome. So I'm just gonna open it now. I'm just gonna show you guys this one is come from the first box that I won giveaway prize last 2 weeks ago from our friends from Diorama. So I'm just gonna open it now. So see this one, it's really cool, right? See this car, it's really nice. This car is really neat. It's really awesome castings. I really love this car so much because actually I've been wanting for this car because in our toy store I've been looking for this car. It's for me it's so hard to find this castings, this car in our local toy store. But thank God, luckily I just got it from our friends from Diorama from his awesome giveaway prize, and I believe this one I won it from his YouTube channel. And when last time Diorama just do a giveaway prize, so which I won from him. So thank you so much to Diorama for letting me win your awesome giveaway prize. So just make sure to check his channel out and make sure to subscribe channel because his channel is always got a awesome stop motion video. So just might check it out and might just watch his video or check it check his channel and just check out his video. So you guys probably will like it. So this one is really cool. It's really nice casting. I really love this one. This one is really it's a really nice car. It's a really nice casting. So guys, see this one. It's really cool though. It's really nice. So see this one, guys. It's really cool. It's really awesome. And also he sent me his sticker, his channel sticker, which is this is really nice sticker too. It's really awesome sticker. it's really cool, and he's really actually for me, I think his sticker is so outstanding sticker. So thank you so much to Diorama for sending me your awesome gift prize and then your awesome stickers. So which really neat. See this one, it's kind of really cool stickers from his channel stickers. It's really awesome. It's really nice though. See this one, these guys. It's really cool though, right? It's really so creative. It's really good, outstanding design sticker channel, which I really love it. This one, so it's really cool. So. And a sticker is just white, his Instagram too, and white got a white on YouTube, and in fact it just white sticker just follow us Instagram, so it's really cool. So now I'm gonna open it the second box, the one I wanted last time from I believe I won it from his Instagram. So you just might check it out. Instagram is called Diorama too. It's the same as his channel. So now I'm just gonna open it. It's a second giveaway prize, second box. So okay guys. So thank you so much once again to our friends from Diorama for letting me win your awesome twice in a row win your awesome gift prize. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So you guys make sure to check his channel out. Make sure to subscribe channel. Of course, his channel is always showing for me, I really like it. His video because he's always show really awesome awesome video, like a stop motion video. It's really cool. So. And wow, this is one. See this one, this guys. This is really this one is really nice house premium. Wow, this is really it's really sick, guys. This one's really dope. It's really nice, and then in the back of this case, it just have his sticker channel. It just attached to his channel sticker in the back. It's really cool. It's really nice though. It's really awesome. This one really is. It's so. Man, I just don't know what to say anymore because it's so really unbelievable. It's really nice. It's really awesome because this one is the second giveaway prize from and I believe I think I winning this one is over from Diorama Instagram. So from the one he's doing maybe. So I believe so. So this one is really nice. This one is really nice. And a cool, really cool castings from this one, how is premium. It's really awesome though. I really loved it. I really love this car, and this car is called Volkswagen Jetta MK3. This one is a Volkswagen. It's really nice. It's really cool castings. It's really awesome though. It's really dope, man. Really. Wow, this is really nice. Diorama for sending me your awesome giveaway prize. This one is second giveaway prize. It's so cool, man. It's really nice. It's really awesome, though. Wow, this is cool. It's really nice car. See this one, guys. It's a Volkswagen Jetta MK3. It's really nice. This one is really also over here with quite a modern classic. So it's really nice. This one is house premium. It's really nice, and the top of this one is quite how is car culture. It's really nice. It's really cool. Wow, this is really awesome. Really is. It's really neat. It's really cool. Really is. I really actually I really like it. I really love this one. So I really love this car so much. House premium. So thank you so much once again to Diorama. So for letting me win your awesome gift prize, for letting me win twice in a row, winning your awesome gift prize. I believe I just win. This one is like two weeks ago because I've been wanting to do a video or doing lastly, but I just got no time to do it because I'm so busy, with a lot of things going on, so that's why today I just decided to do a video unboxing. So might as well just show you guys what the Diorama sent me his awesome gift prize. So thank you so much once again to the Diorama for sending me these two. So because this two is really awesome. well, actually, I think it's for me the like I really like it. It's I really like the most is this one. It's a house premium. This one is really cool casting. It's really nice. It's really awesome. So thank you so much once again to to Diecast Diorama for lending me your awesome gift prize, which I really appreciate it, and thank you so much once again. So please you guys check his channel, please you guys make sure to subscribe his channel, and hopefully you guys enjoy his awesome video. Because he's always showing stop motion video, which I really like watching it. So it's really cool, it's really awesome. This one is really nice. So thank you so much once again to Diecast Diorama for letting me win your twice giveaway prize, which I really like it. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much once again. So that's it, guys. So okay, guys. So see you guys next time then. So see you guys tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow then. Okay, guys. Because tomorrow we're gonna have our next video race coming up, which is I believe it's gonna be Olympic race or final Olympic race. So we'll be round 2. So hopefully you guys enjoy watching our video race, and please subscribe, like, comment. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe our channel. So thank you so much. So see you guys tomorrow in our live premiere, which is called Final Olympic Race for round 2. So thank you so much once again to Diecast Diorama for sending me your awesome giveaway prizes too. I really love it. I really like it. I really love it so much. I really like it so much. So thank you so much once again to Diecast Diorama for leaving me your awesome twice giveaway prize. And I believe one is over YouTube and one is over Instagram. So if you guys if any one of you have an Instagram, please follow Diecast Diorama Instagram, which is called Diecast Diorama. So because his Instagram is the same name as his channel, his YouTube channel. So you guys make sure to subscribe to the channel. So make sure you guys follow his Instagram. Okay, guys. And thank you so much once again for giving me your really awesome this one channel stickers. I really love it, and Diecast Diorama, I promise you, I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna attach your sticker in our tournament board and put it in our finish gate too. So it's gonna be really cool. So big shout out to Diecast Diorama. Where they see guys. So see you guys tomorrow then. Okay, see you guys tomorrow in our live premiere, which is called Final Olympic Race for round 2. So hope you guys will enjoy our video race. Okay, guys. Peace, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you so much to Diecast Diorama for letting me awesome gift prize. I'm so appreciated. I'm so happy to win your twice giveaway prize, twice in a row. So see you guys tomorrow in our final Olympic race for round 2 for our live premiere. See you guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment. Peace, guys. Thank you so much to Diecast Diorama for letting me win your awesome gift prize. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy you guys day. Enjoy you guys work. Enjoy you guys day. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Guys, I forgot to see you guys this house menu. I just opened it, so I just cut it up. So I just gonna show you guys this is the second giveaway prize from Diecast Diorama. So this one is called the house premium. It's called Volkswagen. So I'm just gonna show you guys these castings. I just forgot to show you guys, so I'm so sorry. So because this one is really cool. This one's it's a house premium. It's a Volkswagen. It's really nice, cool castings, which I really love it. So it's really cool though. See, this one is really awesome. It's really cool though. So it's really nice. It's really nice castings, and really nice color. I really love it. So it's really cool. So it's really cool though. This one's really cool castings. This one really awesome. Okay. Okay, so that's it, guys. So see you guys tomorrow in our live premiere for our final Olympic race for round 2. Bye, guys. See you guys then.